Afternoon. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with a special severe weather briefing this Sunday, March 30th, 2025. This afternoon, I'll talk about the severe storm potential that we're expecting this evening, continuing into Monday morning. I'll talk about the flash flooding potential that we have tonight as well. And then I'll talk about the severe storm potential that we're expecting in the middle of the week that could occur on Wednesday and Thursday. Our main event this week begins later this evening. Much of our area has been outlooked in the enhanced risk for severe weather. And in this enhanced risk, the orange area, severe storms are likely, which includes the potential for damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour, large hail up to hen egg size, and tornadoes, some of which could be strong across the northern portions from Hamburg to Columbus and north. In our south, along the Highway 84 corridor, severe storms are also possible, and the damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, hail up to golf ball size, and tornadoes can't be ruled out are the main threats. The timing graphic indicates when we're expecting the onset of the severe weather. Again, it should start out in the northwest later this evening, continuing into early morning hours, across central Mississippi beginning after midnight, continuing into early morning hours. And in the southeast, may not see much activity or a threat until 5 a.m., continuing through the morning hours, hopefully ending before noon on Monday. In addition to the severe threat tonight, there is also a localized flash flooding threat across the area that's generally along and north of Interstate 20. We've already had much rain across the area, and the grounds are nearly saturated across the northern portions of our county warning area. A few inches of rain in a short amount of time could lead to runoff issues and warranting the potential for localized flash flooding. And the main timing for this is from midnight tonight, continuing till 9 a.m. on Monday. This graphic shows some of the anticipated rainfall over the next 24 hours with this event that we're expecting. And you can see several inches are shown, especially across the eastern half of Mississippi and across the north where we have nearly saturated soils from antecedent conditions. Going into the middle of the week, the scenario that some of the models are becoming a consensus on is that we'll have an approaching cold front on Wednesday or thereabouts, and this cold front will stall just to the northwest of our county warning area. The conditions will be favorable for the potential for severe weather, especially across the northwest portions of our area, basically Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening, and again on Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. As it stands now, we have an enhanced risk for severe storms, including tornadoes, on each of those days. To the southeast of that, there is still a severe storm potential. And then as you get into central Mississippi, the threat becomes more isolated. But severe weather is still shaping up. We're still several days away from this event. So expect the timing, expect the threats and the threat areas to be refined as we grow closer to the event. This is the 5-day. This incorporates the rainfall that we're expecting tonight and on Monday, and then again on Wednesday through Thursday. So this 5-day rainfall goes through Thursday night. It shows an abundance of rain to our north that's centered around the stalled frontal area. If this frontal area should stall a little bit further to the southeast, closer to our area, our severe threats will increase, as well as the potential for flash flooding, and the additional rainfall will also likely result in minor river flooding. In summary, I talked about the severe storm potential that we're expecting this evening that will continue into Monday morning. I talked about the flash flooding potential that we have later tonight as well, mainly across the northern half of our county warning area. Severe storms are also possible by the middle of this upcoming week, and it generally looks like Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night and Thursday afternoon and Thursday night will be the main time frame. And basically severe storms, including tornadoes, and the potential for flash flooding and maybe even some river flooding will all come into play by the middle of next week. That concludes this special weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson. And our next regular briefing is scheduled for 10 a.m. on Thursday, April 3rd. However, if there continues to be an enhanced risk across a portion of our area for Wednesday and Thursday, there most likely be another special severe weather briefing scheduled for Tuesday. This concludes the briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing.